Creating a business plan is a crucial step for any entrepreneur, as it helps to clarify the vision and goals of the business, serves as a tool for communication and fundraising, helps the entrepreneur to anticipate and plan for challenges, and allows for tracking progress and making adjustments. One of the main benefits of creating a business plan is that it helps the entrepreneur to clarify their vision and goals for the business. A business plan forces the entrepreneur to think through every aspect of their business, including their target market, unique selling proposition, and financial projections. This helps the entrepreneur to clearly define their vision and goals for the business, and to create a plan for achieving them. Another benefit of creating a business plan is that it serves as a tool for communication and fundraising. A well-written business plan can be used to communicate the entrepreneur's vision and plans to potential investors, partners, and employees. It can also be used to secure funding for the business, as investors and lenders will want to see a detailed plan outlining how their investment will be used to grow the business. In addition to serving as a tool for communication and fundraising, a business plan can also help the entrepreneur to anticipate and plan for challenges. Every business will face challenges and obstacles, and a business plan helps the entrepreneur to anticipate and plan for these challenges. By considering potential risks and developing contingency plans, the entrepreneur can increase the chances of success for their business. Another important benefit of creating a business plan is that it allows the entrepreneur to track progress and make adjustments. A business plan is not a static document, but rather a living document that should be reviewed and updated regularly. By regularly reviewing and updating the business plan, the entrepreneur can track the progress of the business and make any necessary adjustments to keep the business on track. Creating a business plan can also help the entrepreneur to stay organized and focused. Starting and running a business can be overwhelming, with many different tasks and responsibilities to juggle. A business plan helps the entrepreneur to stay organized and focused by outlining the specific steps that need to be taken to achieve the business's goals. A well-thought-out business plan can also increase the chances of success for a business. It helps the entrepreneur to identify and address potential problems before they arise, and to stay focused on their long-term goals, rather than getting sidetracked by short-term challenges or opportunities. Finally, a business plan can help the entrepreneur to secure partnerships and collaborations. By outlining the specific ways in which a partnership or collaboration could benefit all parties involved, the entrepreneur can increase their chances of securing these types of relationships. Overall, the benefits of creating a business plan for entrepreneurs are numerous and varied. By outlining the vision and goals of the business, serving as a tool for communication and fundraising, helping the entrepreneur to anticipate and plan for challenges, and allowing for tracking progress and making adjustments, a business plan is an essential tool for any entrepreneur looking to achieve success.